Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in today's video, we are going to explore accessing workflows from video descriptions, a step-by-step guide. So if you have been following our tutorials, you know that we often provide workflow links in the description box. And over here, you can see that this is our YouTube channel and you can find all the video tutorials in this channel only. And we often say that we have provided the workflow link in the description box. So these links are designed to help you easily clone the workflows we demonstrate, so that you can implement them in your own account with minimal efforts. So I'll show you how you can exactly find these links, access them, and make the most of them to streamline your automation. So let's get started with it. So over here you can see all the videos that we have created. So I'm going to select a random video from this and then we are going to check that how we can do this. And over here you can see that let's suppose that I'm going to take this video. So as you can see that this is the video and we are going to scroll and look for the video description. So as you can see that this is the video description. Over here you can see the description of the video, and as you can see that over here are the three links: Pabbly Connect website, pricing details, and the workflow link. So this workflow link is the link we are going to access today. So I'm going to open this link right from here. I'm going to click on this link, and as you can see, this has shared a workflow. Over here you can see the workflow name too. So I'm going to click on try now directly from here, and as soon as we're going to click on try now, you can see that the same workflow has been attached right over here in my Pabbly Connect's dashboard. So this was really easy because I've already signed in my Pabbly Connect's account. So if you are a new user, you have to first sign up in your Pabbly Connect's account. Then only you are going to get this workflow right over here in your dashboard. So as soon as we are going to get this workflow, you can see that we have got this workflow in the home folder. So as soon as you're going to click on the link given in the description box, by default you're going to get the workflow in this home folder. So if you wish, you can definitely move this workflow to any another folder which you have created, but I'm going to keep it in the home folder only, and then we are going to open this workflow right from here. And as soon as we are going to open this workflow link, you can see the exact same workflow we showed you in our video. So now what we have to do is we are going to check that how we can use this workflow for our business or for our needs. So what we are going to do is first we are going to rename this workflow. We are going to click on this three dots and then we are going to go on rename. So we are going to rename this workflow. So let's suppose that I want to rename my workflow as, I'm going to show you right over here, this automatically add Facebook ads comment in Google Sheets, and then we are going to click on update, and as soon as we're going to click on update, you can see that I've successfully renamed my workflow. So you can rename it as per you desire, and after renaming this, first we are going to switch on this workflow right from here, and yes, you can see that now we have switched on this workflow and now this workflow is ready to run for us. And now what we have to do this, like you can see that over here in the tutorial we connected Facebook lead ads, and also you can see that we connected Google Sheets with our workflow. But over here, after accessing this workflow, you have to connect your accounts right over here in this workflow to run this workflow for yourself. So what you have to do is you are going to open this Facebook pages trigger. You can see that this is the trigger and over here are the actions. So if you have been following our tutorials, you know that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and the actions are the response towards that same command. And as you can see that in this workflow and in this tutorial, we had Facebook pages as our trigger application. So we are going to connect the same right over here. But if you're following some another tutorial and you're using some another workflow clone link, then you're going to get another trigger application and the action. So you just have to connect it as the same way we have shown you in the tutorial. So now what we have to do is we are going to click on connected right over here. You can see that this is the Facebook page which is Pabbly subscription billing, and we have connected this same right over here in our tutorial. But I want to connect some another Facebook page, or let's suppose that you want to connect your own Facebook page right over here. So what you have to do is you are going to click on connected, and as soon as we are going to click on connected, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook pages with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. And now we are going to connect our own Facebook page with this workflow. So what you can see that it is saying that this is my Facebook page. So I'm going to click on continue as Jesse Matthew only. I'm going to connect this same Facebook page with my workflow. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected this Facebook page with our workflow. So now what will happen is that as soon as I'm going to click on save and send test request, or I'm going to do the test submission on my Facebook page, then only Pabbly will capture the response. So like we connected our Facebook pages, you can connect your Google Sheets account too with your workflow. And as soon as you're going to connect your Google Sheets account and select the spreadsheet, automatically automatically Pabbly will show you the details of your spreadsheet right over here, which you have entered in your column. So for example, you can see that in the tutorial we entered date and time, name, form ID. So that's why it is showing the same right over here. So if you're going to add your personalized things over here in your Google Sheets column, so you're going to get the same right over here, and you're going to map all of these from your previous response also. So as you know that mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as soon as we map the details, automatically the fields become dynamic and change with every new response received. So like this over here, you can see the form name is mapped. So yes, this was mapped from the previous response, which was the connection of the Facebook pages, which we showed you in the tutorial. But now you can see that I've connected a new Facebook page, so I have to do the test submission of this Facebook page, and then I'm going to map the same details right over here in my sheets. So by this you can access the same workflow which we have already made with your own personal or your own business accounts. And you can see that you don't have to do much things again and again. You just have to connect your account and automatically you can customize this workflow for yourself. And that's a wrap for today's guide on accessing workflows from video description. Now you know how you can find and use the workflow links provided in the description box of your videos. By cloning these workflows, you can save the time and apply proven automation strategies directly to your own account. Like I showed you in this video, you just have to change the connection. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.